Hi kids, today we will listen to the story of some wonderful animal friends and the hidden treasure. Once upon a time, in a lush forest, lived a group of animal friends, Felix the fox, Ruby the rabbit, Sammy the squirrel, and Benny the bear. They loved solving puzzles together. One day, they found an old map. "It's a treasure map," exclaimed Ruby. "Let's find the hidden treasure." The map showed they needed to solve puzzles to find the treasure. "We can do this if we work together," said Felix. The first puzzle led them to a tall tree. "We need to get the key from the top," said Sammy. "I can climb it." Sammy retrieved the key and handed it to Felix. "Great job, Sammy," Felix said. "Now, let's find the next clue." The next clue led them to a river. "We need to cross it," said Benny. "I can carry everyone on my back." Benny carried his friends safely across the river. "Thanks, Benny," Ruby said with a big smile. The next puzzle was a riddle. "I have keys but open no locks." "What am I?" "A piano," Ruby exclaimed. They followed the map to an old piano hidden in the forest. Inside, they found another clue. The clue led them to a cave. "It's dark in there," Felix said. "I'll lead the way with my sharp eyes." Inside the cave, they found a locked chest. "We need the key," said Ruby. Sammy handed the key to Felix. Felix unlocked the chest, and inside, they found the hidden treasure, a chest full of colorful gems and gold coins. "We did it. We found the treasure," cheered Benny. "And we did it by working together." The friends decided to share the treasure with everyone in the forest. "Sharing makes the treasure even more special," said Ruby. From that day on, the animal friends continued to solve puzzles and go on adventures, always working together and sharing their discoveries. Kids, the story teaches children the importance of teamwork, using individual strengths for the greater good, and the joy of sharing. Hello kids, let's listen to the story of an owl, Oliver and his tough decision. Once upon a time, in a tall oak tree deep in the forest, lived Oliver Owl. Oliver was known for his wisdom and thoughtful nature. One sunny morning, as Oliver was hunting for mice, he heard a cry for help. It was Little Rabbit stuck in a thorny bush. Oliver wanted to help, but he also needed to find food for himself and his family. "What should I do?" he wondered. Finally, Oliver decided to help Little Rabbit. He carefully untangled the thorns and freed him. "Thank you, Oliver," said Little Rabbit, hopping away happily. But now, Oliver was running late to find food. As Oliver searched for mice, he spotted a family of mice hiding under a fallen log. "I need to catch them," he thought. Just then, he heard another cry for help. It was Baby Squirrel stuck on a high branch. Oliver hesitated. He wanted to help Baby Squirrel, but catching the mice was important too. "What do I do now?" he pondered. Remembering his decision with Little Rabbit, Oliver chose to help Baby Squirrel first. He gently lifted him down to safety. "Thank you, Oliver," chirped Baby Squirrel, scampering away happily. But now, the mice were nowhere to be seen. Oliver felt disappointed. His family needed food, and he had let them down. "I should have thought more carefully," he sighed. That night, Oliver thought about his day. He realized that while helping others was important, he needed to balance it with his responsibilities. The next day, Oliver apologized to his family and promised to make better decisions. He learned that thinking things through was crucial. From then on, Oliver Owl became known not only for his wisdom but also for his careful thinking and balanced decisions. And whenever someone needed help, Oliver was there, making thoughtful choices and being a true friend to all in the forest. The story teaches children about the importance of making thoughtful decisions, considering consequences, and balancing personal responsibilities with helping. Hello kids, let's listen to the story of the magical garden of flowers and animals. Once upon a time, there was a magical garden where flowers could talk and animals could dance. In the garden lived a wise old oak tree named Oliver. Oliver always gave the best advice. There was also a playful sunflower named Sunny who loved to play games with everyone. Nearby, there was a gentle rose named Rosie, who had the sweetest fragrance in the garden. The animals in the garden were talented dancers. Grace the deer danced elegantly, and Jumpy the monkey made everyone laugh with his funny moves. One sunny day, a problem arose. The flowers were wilting, and the animals were worried. They didn't know what to do. Oliver said, "We need more water. But the stream has dried up. We must find a new source of water." Sunny suggested, "Let's work together to dig a new path for the water to flow into the garden." The strong animals began to dig the path, while the flowers gave them directions. After hours of hard work, water began to flow into the garden again. The flowers started to perk up. Rosie spread her sweet fragrance, and Sunny twirled in delight. Grace and Jumpy started dancing again. Oliver smiled and said, "When we work together, we can solve any problem. Teamwork makes everything possible." The garden became more beautiful than ever. The flowers and animals learned that by working together, they could overcome any challenge. From that day on, the magical garden was a place where everyone helped each other, and their friendship grew stronger. And so, the magical garden remained a place of joy, laughter, and endless adventures, where flowers talked, animals danced, and everyone lived in harmony. The story teaches children the importance of teamwork and cooperation. It shows that by working together, they can solve problems and make their environment better for everyone. We share something new every day. To get the updates, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.